Hello friends, welcome to my channel Helping Hands. Today I will tell you about fall through in switch case. So let's start. So our topic is fall through in switch case. Then its definition. If no break statement is given. Friends, I have told you about this in my previous video, but I have told you only short example. In here I will tell you in deep about it. So if no break statement is given in switch case, then the case whose value matches with the switch value is executed means taken into consideration along with it all the cases below it including default is also executed. If no break statement is encountered means written or given by your system to the programming. Then here it is written that if no break statement is given in the switch case, then the case whose value matches with the switch value is executed along with it all cases below it including default is executed if no break statement is encountered. So friends, here it means to say that here break statement is compulsory in switch case, and if you forgot or you have not put the break statement, then this case will occur, which is very important, fall through switch case. Then I will clear this up by giving one example. Suppose I am writing only a condition, so ch case 0. Suppose first I give case 0 as system dot out dot println false. You can give anything here, but for my convenience I am giving false. Then case 1 will be system dot out dot println here I am not giving the break statement in order to explain you the fall through, and then default. Here I will give the statement as system dot out dot println wrong choice. Then I will close the bracket. So friends, here first I have taken a ch variable, then I have given some cases. So friends, suppose if I take the value of ch as if first condition, if I will take ch value as 1, and see 1 here will be printed, and this value matches with this or this value, with whom it matches, that will be printed. So as I have given here as ch is equal to 1, then here it comes 1. This case does not match as here is 0, but this matches, so your answer will be true. But you say that here you have not put any break statement, so default will also be printed. So below it wrong choice will also be printed. It will be printed below true because here you have given print ln. And then suppose I give the second condition as if ch is equal to 5, then here it will come ch is equal to 5. It does not match with this nor with this, so only default will be executed. Then here your answer would be wrong choice. So friend, this was only the fall through in switch case. And suppose here if I will put break statement, then only true will be printed. So friends, in the next video I will tell you about basic features of OOP. So if you liked my video, then please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.